Hello friends, I'm Esan from Bangalore Property. Today I'm going to show you this brand new apartment available in Valmark Orchard Square project, located in JP Nagar 8th phase, walkable from upcoming Meenakshi Temple metro station and also Royal Meenakshi Mall, just off Bannerghatta road. In the beginning of the video you saw the view from the balcony, and let's see the apartment. This is a north-facing 1455 square feet 3 BHK apartment with 3 bathrooms, living, kitchen, 1 common bathroom, 2 attached bathrooms, 2 balconies and kitchen with utility area. Well planned, premium facing apartment with 2 covered car parking. It's a resale property at very good attractive price. Now let's see the apartment. North facing entrance, vitrified flooring 2x2, double charged with nano coating. The apartment is going to be given in the same condition. Final finishing is yet to be done. Already families have started moving in. The apartment itself is ready to occupy. Most of the amenities are in place. Final finishing works are going on. So from the living, this is the balcony overlooking the swimming pool, and this is clubhouse building. Very good luxury project by Valmark group, adjacent to Valmark classic orchards layout. Living, dining, this is kitchen. Interior needs to be done. The apartment is being offered at very attractive price and it comes with 2 covered car parking. This is utility space. One side of the apartment faces the swimming pool and clubhouse, and this is the other side. This is overlooking the classic orchard layout developed by the same Valmark group. Very high profile residential neighborhood. Well planned apartment. This is common bathroom. Kohler brand of fittings are given in all the bathrooms. Separate shower in the end. This is a Kohler brand fittings. If you want, you can install shower partition, central toilet, hand wash basin. This bathroom measures 5 by 7.10. This is the master bedroom, measuring 11.10 by 12.9. Attached balcony and attached bathroom is there. This bathroom is also same size, 5 by 7.10. Premium quality fittings. All amenities are there right now in the project. Swimming pool, there is a large swimming pool, clubhouse. It's a corner apartment. Badminton court is ready now. Swimming pool is getting ready. Gym is getting ready now. Steam, sauna, clubhouse, basketball court, podium area. All facilities are there. This is the balcony overlooking the classic orchards layout. The empty space you see in between is part of the same campus, which is going to be landscaped and visitor parking area will be developed there. Lots of greenery is going to be added, and this is the beautiful view of the classic orchards layout. This was master bedroom. This is the common bedroom, measuring 9.10 by 10.10. That is 10 feet 10 inches. Overlooking the central swimming pool area. You can refer to the floor plan for the measurements. Right before this I showed you the floor plan. So this is the guest bedroom measuring 11.10 by 10.10 with attached bathroom. Bathroom measures 4.11 by 7.6, 7 feet 6 inches. This again has a two side view as it's a corner room. These are the amenities which are completed now. All details are given in the description of the video. Thank you for watching this video. Do subscribe our channel for latest properties.